Last night, a jet used by Cleveland Cavaliers owner Dan Gilbert was at the Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport. Maybe it had something to do with today's news that Dwayne Wade, the free agent, is talking to the Cavaliers. Wade has not come to terms with the Heat. The offer to him stands at 2 years, $40 million. The world champion Cavaliers right now have only $4 million in cap space, so I don't know how they could make this happen. Wade and Cavs star LeBron James won 2 titles together with the Heat. They're just back from a vacation together in Spain. As the kids like to say, now it's real. Oddly, just today, the Cleveland Cavaliers started following D-Wade and his wife, Gabrielle Union, on Twitter. Oddly. Being widely reported now, Wade and his buddy LeBron James are talking about a reunion, this time in Cleveland. The Heat held Wade off until after they failed to get free agent whale Kevin Durant. Wade has not accepted a 2-year, $40 million offer from the Heat. The Cavaliers only have $4 million left, so I don't know how they make this happen, or maybe it's just all a ploy.